Hello children, I hope you all are fine and spending quality time with your family members. Our today's topic is also about the family members. A family is a group of people related to each other. We call each of our family member by a respectful manner. We are staying at home with a family and all those members are called family members. Father and mother together are called parents. Grandfather and grandmother together are called grandparents. So, we have so many relations in a family. We have different relations with different members of our family. So, let us study few of the relations. Your father's parents and your mother's parents are called grandparents. Grandfather. Grandfather is the father of your mother or father. Next is grandmother. Grandmother is the mother of your mother or father. Next is uncle. Uncle is the brother of your mother or father. Means your father's brother is your uncle and your mother's brother is also your uncle. Next is aunt. Many of you call auntie. Aunt is the sister of your mother or father. Means your father's sister is your aunt and your mother's sister is also your aunt. Your uncle's wife is also your aunt. Your uncle's children are your cousins. Listen carefully, children. Your uncle's children are your cousins and your auntie's children are also your cousins. The son of your uncle is your cousin brother and the daughter of your uncle is your cousin sister. Your cousins are nephew or niece of your parents. Listen again. Your cousins are nephew or niece of your parents. Children, we learn so many things from each member of the family. They are always there to protect and support you. So, we should love, obey and respect each member of the family. Children, we are going to understand the story Kitty's Kite. Kitty is the name of a girl. This story is about our relations. Through this story, you will understand how our family members can do anything when we are in difficult situation. So, we should respect, love and always ready to help each other whenever needed. There are some new words in this story. G-U-S-T, gust. Gust means a sudden strong rush of wind. S-T-R-I-N-G, string. String means thread. S-C-R-E-A-M-S, screams means shout. Rush, R-U-S-H, rush means hurry. A-S-T-O-N-I-S-H-M-E-N-T, astonishment means surprise. T-H-U-D, thud. Thud means heavy sound. Now look at this picture. You can see here a beautiful kite is flying along with some people. I am sure you would not have seen this in real life because a kite is a light thing, so it cannot fly along with humans. Now see this picture. We can see here all the members of a family are holding the string of a kite. By observing this, we can say all these people are seen falling from top to ground. Now let's start the story. Now I am reading the story. Listen. Kitty was a little girl. She lived with her family in a beautiful village. She loved to read, play, and spend time with her family. She loved her mother and helped her with cooking and cleaning. Children, Kitty is a good girl. She is not only playing and spending time with family members but also reading. She loves her mother and helping her with cooking and cleaning. I think many of you must be helping at home. You can help your mother to clean the room, floor. You can fold clothes and keep the things in proper place. You can also take care of your younger brother or sister. These kind of small work you all can do easily. Now let's see what happened one day. One day her mother bought a kite and string for her. Kitty loved flying kites. As soon as her mother gave her the kite, she went outside the house to fly it. Whoosh! Suddenly, a strong gust of wind blew. Kitty held the string tightly with both her hands to stop the kite from flying away. Now here, do you know what happened next? Kitty too started flying with the kite. Kitty shouted loudly, "Someone please help me! The wind is flying my kite and me along with it." Children, one day her mother bought a kite and string because she loves to fly a kite. When her mother gave a kite, she went outside to fly it. Kitty was flying a kite, but suddenly unexpected thing happened with her. A strong gust of wind blew. Gust means a sudden strong rush of wind. As soon as strong gust of wind blew, Kitty held the string tightly to stop the kite from flying. Now I am reading the next part of the story. Listen. Hearing Kitty's screams, her sister came out running to help her. She too held the string of the kite tightly to pull it down. But she too started flying with the kite. Kitty's sister shouted in fear, "Someone please help us! The wind is flying Kitty's kite and us along with it." Hearing the screams, Kitty's cousin came out rushing to help them. As soon as he held the string of the kite tightly, he too started flying with it. Children, Kitty's sister came to help, but when she held the string of the kite tightly, she too started flying with the kite, so she shouted in fear. Then Kitty's cousin heard the screaming. He came out rushing to help them. He tried his best to pull the kite down, but no use of that. He too started flying with the kite. Now cousin screamed. Children, now I am reading the next part of the story. Kitty's cousin screamed, "Someone please help us! The wind is flying Kitty's kite and us along with it." Hearing the screams, Kitty's mother came out to help. She too held the string of the kite tightly, but she too started flying with the kite. Kitty's mother shouted with astonishment, "Someone please help us! The wind is flying Kitty's kite and us along with it." Hearing the screams, Kitty's father came out in a hurry to help them. He too held the string of the kite tightly and started flying with it. Kitty's father shouted for help. Someone please help us. The wind is flying Kitty's kite and us along with it. Hearing the screams, Kitty's grandfather came out to help. She too held the string of the kite tightly. Do you know what happened next? She too started flying with the kite. Kitty's grandmother shouted. Children hear now cousin screamed, and by hearing his screaming, Kitty's mother came to help them. But the same happened with her. She too started flying with the kite. Then she shouted with astonishment. Astonishment means surprise. Okay, then children till here, Kitty, her sister, cousin, mother are flying with the kite. They all had tried their best to help each other. Now, Kitty's father heard the screaming of his wife. So, he came out in hurry to help them. He too held the string of the kite tightly and started flying with it. Now, Kitty's father shouted for help. Then, Kitty's grandmother came out to help. Same happened with her. She shouted, "Now you all say loudly, what do you think she might have said?" Yes. Now, till here, Kitty, her sister, cousin, mother, father, and grandmother are flying with the kite. You can guess here who else might have joined them. Your answer will be grandfather. But suddenly the wind stopped blowing. So they all fell down on the ground with a thud. Thud means heavy sound such as that made by an object falling to the ground. Here we have seen everyone was ready to help each other. It shows love and care for each family member. Children, do you know we fly kites at the festival of Sankranti? I hope you enjoyed this story. Thank you. Take care.